Okay, welcome back. It is still April 20th, and we are going to look here at the S&P 500. So, a couple of things that we said here coming into the open. You'll see, I have a 1 minute chart loaded. Let's load a 5 minute chart up. Okay, something didn't look quite right. Okay, there we go. So, here's our 5 minute chart. We had coming into the open, we said we had a few areas up here. We had this 49, and then we had a 52 area up here. This is what I'd drawn in on Friday. It came up here to 51, and that ended up holding and kind of stopped in between. We had 49 and 52. This was what was there from Friday that I had. Kind of stopped right there in the middle of those. Didn't quite get up to that 52 area. We had some higher bouncing scenario, but none of that ever came into play. And then what we said was bigger picture, we should see down to that 40. Well, we had it right down here. We said 4107. That would be bigger picture. We were looking for that. And what we did get was we got so nice push down through here. They probed down through the CP a bit, and then just a tick higher. They only got to 10 and a half. So for target wise, basically the targets are if you're short from up here, we'd be looking for, we'd pretty much already been to this one, so this 19 would kind of be the minimum target, so from 51 down to 19, and then that did happen. Obviously, you could have taken some profit, resold here, taken some profit, resold it here, or you don't take any profit. Just depends on how you trade, what your tolerance for risk is. But ultimately, this is an area that we draw these fib levels in. This was 0.975. The low there was 10 and a half, and then 10.75. So, and then the end of the day here, basically once it traded down into this area, it just kind of sideways through here. So nice push down, and then just kind of sideways in this area. At the end of the day, we got this probe up to 30 to the CP here, and then sold off back down to this CP within 2 ticks. So pretty nice 10-pointer right there to end the day. But plenty of opportunities in here. I tend to leave a lot of this alone when it's doing like this. Uh, Especially I'm looking for shorts. So here, 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 those are areas that I'm looking to short it. Nice short up here, and if you want to scalp it the other way, there were some nice scalps up the other way. Overall, I don't think this is low enough. Nothing's changed for the targets that we have down lower. So let's say at a minimum this 07 area, but we'll see how that plays out in the morning. We'll see how the Globex session goes, and I'll be back here, of course, in the morning. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is what we do all day in MAP. If you want to learn more about that, reach out to us, support at Day Trade Like a Pro. Or if you're in the Discord channel, just send me at DTLAP or at DB a message, and we're happy to talk to you about how this is what we do all day in MAP and mapping out the markets ahead of time. Of course, we're doing this for you in the mornings, but doing it all day for the MAP members. So if you want to learn more about that, go ahead and do that. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll be back tomorrow in the morning with the pre-market walkthrough, and we'll see what the market has in store for us.